How to change Facebook location setting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to change your Facebook location setting, you'll have to change the settings on your settings app itself. So let's dive right in. Once you open up your settings app, scroll down and go to apps, and then on the search bar, search for Facebook, tap on it. Here you'll find location, tap on it, and you can see four options: never, ask next time, or when to share, while using the app, or always. So if you want to give access to location, then you can use ask while using the app, or always. Or if you don't want to give access to location, you can set it to never. However, if you set it to while using the app, then you can choose to toggle on precise location, or you can even choose to toggle it off. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.